what time it is. Stitch Fix. So you get a little card here with, I don't want to look at that too close because I want to be surprised. I don't want to read too much of this. Happy Fix Day, I'm Tamara. Yeah, it's a new person. Every time I get a Stitch Fix, it's a different person. I don't know how you get the same person. Some people get the same person every time, but not me. You get a return envelope just for things to come back free. Here's my dreaded price list. Let's see if I have any credits. Nope. So a Stitch Fix, it's either $20 styling fee, or if you have, like I do, it's called the Style Pass. You pay $49 for a year. So if I don't like anything, I can just send it all back and have them send me more. Nowadays, they're sending you like 8 or so to choose from instead of it all being a surprise. So I chose 3 of them. But I'm a little iffy about them because they're really pricey. And then they chose 2. And these are all kind of pricey, so we'll see. So here's my bundle. A little peek. I have been feeling terrible the last couple days. I don't know what it is. My upper stomach hurts really bad. It's not like nausea or anything, it's just pain. I don't know what's going on. But it says instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix. Okay. So I guess they have a, oops, everything's fell down. Alrighty. Okay, this is one of the ones I picked, but now that I see it, I have one very similar to this. In fact, I wore it in a video just yesterday, or the day before. It's a hoodie. It's got the little kangaroo pocket. Camo-y looking. Who makes this? It is Jack's Love and Peace. No, that can't be right. Something Love and Peace. Oh, let me read it on here. Maybe I can tell better. Ink Love and Peace. Okay. Heatherly French Terry Gray, they're calling it. 1X, $58 for a sweatshirt. I mean, it's really soft. It's nice, but I don't know about $58 for a sweatshirt. I've gotten so I don't do Stitch Fix very much. I only do it quarterly because it's just so darn expensive. Okay, these are Liverpool, just regular black jeans. There's no, they're not like solid black. They're more that grayish black, but there's no distressing on them. So I'll probably just use this to try on everything else, because everything else is tops. Let's see how much these are. $78. So that's over 100 right there already, and then we're not even halfway through. This is one of the ones they picked, not one of the ones I picked. Don't like brown on me very much because I have brown hair, brown eyebrows, brown eyes. I think brown kind of washes me out. I don't think I look that great in brown, but we'll see. We'll try it on. It's got those little tabby kind of sleeves where you can take the tab off and it's full length, or tab it up and it's kind of cut in here a little bit. Oh, who makes this? This is Beacon. These are all, the tops are all 1X. Patty roll tab knit top in black, $42. It's not too bad. Here's a sweater. I think the neck's going to be a little too high. I don't like, it's almost a turtleneck, and I don't like anything tied around my neck. It's a pretty color. It's kind of a reddy browny color. I like the color, but I think the neck might be a little too high for me. Let's see who makes this one. $918. Never heard of them. Wilmer rib trim pullover in burgundy. Huh, I wouldn't call that a burgundy. It's almost an orangey red. Definitely wouldn't call that a burgundy. $44. And last but not least, ooh, this is super soft. I like this one, but I think it's really expensive. It's got a, I don't usually like them when they've got these little knots at the front, but I think this one's off to the side a little bit. Because I think it's when it's smack in the front, it makes your belly pooch out, and I don't like that. But I think this one's off to the side a little bit. But this is super soft. Ugh. Lipsticks. It's this new lip crayon I got, and it's bleeding. I don't use lip liners very much, but with this maybe I need to. Oh, my eyeshadow is that new Ace Beauty that I got in my ice cream that had the purples. Couldn't resist the purples. This one is Socialite Billy Tie Front Brush Knit Top in gray. $40. That's the least expensive one. So the total amount is $262. If I bought all 5, which is unlikely, you get a 25% discount if you buy all 5. That would take off $65.50. So the total would be $196.50 for these 5 pieces. I don't have any credits. You get credits back, like when you buy that $49 style pass for the year, you get that credited back to you. Or if someone, like if you want to try Stitch Fix for the first time, I'll put my link below. You'd get $25 off your first order, and I'd get $25. So that's how you get credits. Sometimes it's more than 25. Sometimes it's 50. One time I had one that was 100. So my granddaughter did that one, and so we both got 100 off, so that was great. My hair is not all like wild and crazy today. It's more laying flat. I don't know why. It's behaving itself. I think it's because I washed it this morning, and usually I wash it before bed, and I put it up in a knot on top of my head, and I think that makes it, when it dries, it makes it a little more wild and crazy. So I don't know if I'll do these right now or not. Trying on clothes is a pain, and I don't feel very good. But to you, it'll be instantaneous. To me, it might be tomorrow before I try these on, but we'll give it a try. So I'm going to put the jeans on, and then I'm going to try all these different tops on with the same jeans, if the jeans fit enough to try something on with. Sometimes it's an 18W, but I can't get that zipper up. Last time, a year ago, I did a fall Stitch Fix plus size unboxing. I got 1,700 views. That's way more than I've ever gotten. I don't know what caused it. I hope it happens again. Because usually I get 60-ish maybe. That 1,700 blew me away. So I don't know. We'll try it again. See what happens again. That'd be great. But I don't know what made it happen. What to do to make it happen again. I have no idea how to make that happen on a regular basis. But anyway, let's get this stuff tried on and see what you think. Okay, just for you, I sucked it up and tried these on. So these pants were they were stretchy and soft and comfortable, but I went and looked, and I have 3 pairs of black jeans already, so I really don't need them, especially not for $78. Otherwise, I would have kept them because they're really nice. And then this, I just don't think this color does anything for me. You tell me, but I've just never really liked myself in browns and oranges, those kinds of colors. This one, it's pretty. It feels soft till you get it on, and then it feels a little scratchy, and I'm not about scratchy. Plus the neck was a little too high for me. Don't really care for a high neck. This one, I like it okay, but I think the price was a little prohibitive. What did I do with the price list? There it is. $58 for a sweatshirt. I just can't do it. I just can't. I can find one at Walmart, maybe not quite as nice, but or Beals or Belk's or Kohl's or Penny's or any of those kind of places. So the mid-range places for cheaper than $59 or $58. This one's the only one I'm considering. Maybe. I think it looked okay, and it's so soft. The trouble with this particular kind of material is it peels really easy, but I love it. It's so soft and comfy and cozy for here for winter. It's warm enough, you know. Where you guys live, you may need something a little heavier, but for winter here, this is warm enough. It's just so soft and comfy, and I like the tie okay because it was off to the side. And I think it's the cheapest one in the bunch. It's only $40. These are all, the tops were all 1X, the pants were 18Ws. They call them dark gray. I thought they were black, but I guess they do look dark gray. I liked the pants a lot, but I just don't really think I need them. I do have a pair of gray pants and 3 pairs of black pants, so. Is my hair getting long? It's amazing how quick it's growing. I went back and looked at videos from a year ago, and it was, you know, way up to there. It's grown quite a bit. I don't know what else is coming. It's the end of the month, so probably this is it for this month. Next month, usually the beginning of the month, I'll get my Luxury Diva because they usually ship it out on the 1st or 2nd, so I should get that early next month. Now don't forget, November 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, I'm going to be out of town, so I won't be filming. I'll try and maybe film something ahead, but since I feel so yucky, that may not happen. That was my intention, but... and if you haven't watched it already, there's 9 of us doing a drugstore affordable makeup collab. And I think pretty much everybody's doing a giveaway. So go watch that and go enter everybody's giveaways, and you can win more than one. It happens. Last time we did one like that, one person won 2 or 3 of them, so you can win more than one. I'm giving 5 different pieces pretty much to make your whole face up of affordable makeup in my giveaway. So let me know what you think of these. What was that brown blouse that I didn't like? It was 40. No, that wasn't it. Maybe it was. Let's see, the camo sweatshirt was 58. The tie front brush knit one was 40. Oh, the patty roll knit top, that's that one with the black and brown. That was 42. Pants were 78, and Wilmer rib trim pullover. Which one was that one? Oh, the sweater. Yeah, didn't like that one. I don't like even a mock turtleneck. I don't like anything uptight around my neck at all. I like a V or a scoop or something, but not something uptight on my neck. Yuck. Alrighty, let me know what you think. And I hope you all have the weekends on. Well, no, it's only Wednesday, so you're halfway through the week. This was not supposed to get here till the 1st, but it got here today, which is the 27th, so it got here early. think my Stitch Fixes ship out of Dallas, so I'm only a day away from Dallas. I'm about halfway between Dallas and Oklahoma. So about 45 miles from Dallas and 40-ish miles from Oklahoma, something like that, out in the country between the two. So anyway, I got my Stitch Fix early, and so I was hoping I wouldn't get it early because I don't feel good and didn't want to have to do it, but you know, you only get 3 days, so I have to have it back by Friday, and today's Wednesday, so I figured I'd just suck it up and go ahead and do it. Alrighty, hope you all have a good week. Bye-bye.